Hey YouTube, welcome back to JT Bladesmithing. I'm once again trying to create content for the channel. I have a small knife I've been working on for a customer out in California. I will show you all the specifics of that next. Alright, so what we have here, I've decided to call the Broadhead. Looks like a Broadhead arrow. Small carry knife, blacked out steel. I do have a little bit of fine-tuning to work on the steel itself, but the special part about all of this is the handle materials that I'm going to be putting on there. Now, if you all remember the boning knife I made for Paul, I used rhinoceros horn or elk horn or some kind of horn, but the handle scales I'm using for this is dyed giraffe bone. I've already taken the time to sand them and shape them and pilot the holes, but it's a really nice color and it stands out really nicely against the blade. So the next step I'm going to do is pop these pieces together with the pins and everything and show you what. Alright, bear with me in the wind. I'm working out of doors because it's optimal for lighting. There's Max. He's a good boy. Mr. Bean ran behind the garage to chase birds, and oh, there's Mr. Bean. Come here, Bean. Come here, little boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. He's a good boy. Alright, so the knife is assembled. This is what we have. It's as symmetrical as I could get it with hand sanding and everything else. The pins are locked in. Everything's nice and clean. The giraffe bone looks amazing on that. So that is the Broadhead. Like I said, I have some cleanup work to do on it and make a sheath for it, but thank you very much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you have any comments, please let me know, even if it's about the stupid birds chirping in the background. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate every one of you. See ya.